Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can buy the Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. It's easy to get this done. Simply make use of the search icon at the top of the screen to simply search for your SHIB. And once you've found the Shiba Inu, select the Shiba Inu on the Ethereum network. So once you've selected the Shiba Inu, make sure you have some Ethereum to pay the gas fees. Otherwise, please make sure you buy some Ethereum. So with your Ethereum available on your wallet, in order to purchase the SHIB, click on the buy icon and simply enter the amount you wish to purchase. So the minimum purchase is $1. So let's say we've got $10 or 100. We could make use of Alchemy Pay. So click on buy SHIB. Okay guys, and once the Alchemy Pay opens up, we're going to be paying through our dollar card, or based on your region, you could pay through any of the listed options. Once you've entered those options, simply click on proceed and buy the Shiba Inu. We're expecting to get at least 10 million SHIB. So click on proceed to buy SHIB, enter your email. Once you've entered your email and the verification code, simply select your payment method, either via the Google Pay or your MasterCard or your Visa card. So simply select your payment options, enter your details, and once those details have been entered, you can simply click on confirm. And once you're done with that, you also proceed to add your billing address. And once you're done adding your billing address, you can then purchase the Shiba Inu, which would then appear in your wallet after a simple reload. So guys, what you need to notice, the SHIB exists on the Ethereum main network. So Ethereum is a major requirement before you can actually purchase or make use of your SHIB. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.